Hi, and welcome to Sunday School Made Easy. Today we will be doing Bible verse crafts, which are so easy and super fast. You can do this in a matter of minutes. So if you like this project, continue watching. And if you like this channel, then consider subscribing. For this project, you will need felt garland. Now this one was from Dollarama. I think it was about $2. And it was about 5 feet. So check this one out. You will also need brown cardstock paper, coffee dye cue cards. If you don't know how to make that, I have a video which I will link down below in the description box so you can find out how to make that. And you will also need wooden shape embellishments that you can also find at the dollar store, Dollar Tree, or Dollar. You will also need some yarn, scissors, hole punch, glue or glue tape, and a pencil to write your Bible verse with. So let's get started. Sort out the pumpkin pieces to go around the paper, just like I did here. Put the 3 links of pumpkin on either side of the paper. Make sure the glue dries well. Then make a border around the perimeter of the paper to achieve this effect. Remember to let it dry before doing any more steps. Otherwise things will move. And don't worry about how the glue looks on top of the foam. We will fix that later on. Alright, next step. Step 2, add the wooden flower embellishments in a pattern formation throughout the border for a beautiful effect. Now you will add the coffee dye cue cards on the paper a little bit towards the top of the empty section of the paper. If you don't know how to do this craft, I will link the video down below in the description section so you can check it out. Now you're going to put the word thanks underneath the cue card, or you can just print it out. You can make a sticker, or you can just write it yourself, print it out, whatever you want. Next, you're going to punch 1 hole on either side of the paper, the top part, and put yarn through it so you can hang the entire thing. The rope, I actually did a 3-strand braid on top because I thought it looked adorable. Then you're going to put the Bible verse of your choice on the cue card. I chose First Chronicles chapter 16 verse 34, which says, "Oh, give thanks to the Lord, for he is good. His love endures forever." And I hope that you enjoyed this craft and you can use this as something in your Sunday school classroom to hang up, to give thanks to our wonderful God that we serve, so the kids can look at it. Or you can get the kids to actually make this craft. If you don't have the pumpkin, you can use something else. You can take parts of this video and kind of make it your own. And don't forget to let me know how this craft turns out if you do this. And also don't forget to comment down below how you like these Bible verse craft videos that I've been putting up lately. And I hope this works out, and see you next time. And don't forget to subscribe to this channel so you don't miss out on any of our content. Follow us on Facebook, our blog, this YouTube channel, and our Instagram. All the links are down below. Thanks for watching, take care, and make Sunday school easy. God bless. Bye for now.